everyone, this is Ray with Hairholds Hub. Once again doing another voiceover due to the audio was hijacked in this part of the video. So what you're looking at here is the foamed snowman with his lights on and in, and we're showing you the lights, and then we have the button eyes, just the small little button eyes, and the big puffs that are solid white because they were sold out in the big that size in black, and they're going to get painted momentarily. That's what I'm explaining to you in the video, that they're going to get redone, and they're going to be black little charcoal pieces that we're going to put on the snowman as we finish him up. And then this section is where the hubby is showing you how he created his nose from the styrofoam cone and how he designed it and shaped it. And he's going to show you how he's going to decide if it's going to be right or not for his face. So check it out. What do you think? I think you did a pretty darn good job. Let us know in the comments what you think. But there it is, getting ready to get painted. And now he's telling you he's going to cut it right there. And then it will fit pretty good. Pretty good. All right, so now we're going to pan back around and look at him from a distance. It looks pretty decent. And now he's got his hat on, and we're putting the charcoal pieces in after they got painted. So what do you think? Let us know. Gotta hold it on there for a few seconds to make sure that hot glue takes, because the day we made him, we're putting him together, putting him together, it was a bit chilly outside, so you got to make sure that glue sticks to that foam, because the foam did really well. All we did with the lights too is we just pushed the lights into the foam. We didn't have to do anything. It's different. So there, that's me. I'm holding that one on. Probably a little too long, but I held that one on there to make sure it stayed on. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure. I probably, like I said, I probably didn't have to hold it that long, but you know. You don't know till you try. All right, now, number 2 has been glued. Dun, dun, dun. We're going to put it on the front there. Number 2. There it is. Gonna place it. Zzz. Boop. All right. Number 2. And if you watch, I don't hold this one as long, because I learned from the first one that you didn't have to hold it as long. The glue, it did much better than I thought it would do with that foam and it being chilly out. So, all right, that's 2 out of 3. Got one more to put in. And it's his hat. That's his temporary hat. We'll have to buy him his own. But that one's temporary. But he's got ears. Say cheers. Cheers. Yay. Well, I guess I did hold that one on a bit longer than I thought I was. Oh, well. There we go. All right, we still got the 2 eyes and one more charcoal to put in. There's his eyes. They're going to go up there. Now we're continuing, putting on button number 3, or charcoal button 3, onto Mr. Snowman really quick here. As you see, I hold him on. I think I held it on too long, but you know, you don't know until you try the first time. But there he is, and he's so cute. I think he turned out so cute. He's so cute. I'm so happy. He turned out so good. And now we're going to continue to hold his button. So now let's real quick get this. Oh, I'm zooming in. All right. I'm not sure why. Gee whiz, Mary, you just held that button on there. I guess I got too excited about him turning out to be adorable. Super adorable. And we're still holding. See, Ray, too long. So in this part of the video, we're showing you how we are attaching the battery packs on the back of the Snowman. So that way they're just not laying on the ground, showing all over the place. We actually hot glued them on the back there, and where the little screw that holds the cover on it, you can see there that is exposed. There he is. He's all trimmed up. His board is gone. Check him out. It looks pretty cool. I like it. I like it. Oh, his scarf's over his one button. There we go. Isn't it cute? I love it. I think we did a pretty good job. And with that, Merry Christmas.